And here's a view of where I'm going. And to the very left up there is an observatory. And that's where I'm going to be standing to get a really great view. Some people coming down the hill, you can see. It's actually pretty easy to traverse. This is a view of the hill. I've walked up and I'm heading up to the hill on the cross, which has the best views in Puerto Vallarta. But it's pretty amazing getting here already. And these are the old neighborhoods up here, built in the 70s. Quiet little neighborhoods. Well, look at this. We're coming up the hill and it's an old farm. We have 3 donkeys, some chickens. And I read that when they were building Liz Taylor's house and Richard Burton's house, all the supplies were trucked up the hill by donkey. So this must be one of the vestiges of the old farms on the hill. Hey guys, how you doing? Nicely shaded. There's probably fruit trees in here, I just don't know what they are, but usually these farms have a lot of different fruit trees. And there's the view of the bay. Condominium building unfinished. And there are a lot of Volkswagens in this town. There's a Volkswagen club even. These guys are repairing their car on the hill here. That's got to be very difficult. So I'm near the top now, and this looks like an old funicular. Not working. I wish it were. This is a steep climb. Look at these amazing houses being constructed at the top here. And it looks like they're putting in a road that will go all the way to the top. Incredible. So here I am. I made it. There's the view. Well, I did it, everybody. This is a view from the top. Total of 12 flights of stairs climbed. I'm standing at the top of the hill, the cross on the hill. And behind us are the Sierra Madre mountains. It was a hot, humid climb up, but worth it. Incredible view. And there's the actual cross on the hill. Kind of blends in with everything else now, but that was the original reason this was built. And there you can see the tall CATRINA standing on the Malecón. So this hill on the cross is almost directly up the hill from the Malecón, the CATRINA. A series of little side streets and then lots of steps. Look at this, a little house below with a cool-off pool. And all the way out there you can see the 3 rocks in the ocean. That's near MISMALOYA. I was there yesterday. So now we're looking north along the bay. Tall high rises in the far distance are Puerto Vallarta. And then there's Bucerias. Look at the ocean. Pretty calm today. And you can see all the vegetation here. At one point it was all vegetation at the hill, and you can actually see an old walking path here. I'm sure the people walked up here long before this was built. But look at these little haciendas tucked away. Quiet, lots of trees, a little cool-off pool. lot of expats have built houses here and live here 6 months a year or all year. And the music you hear is from the little restaurant here on the top of the hill over there. There's a bathroom up here for 10 pesos, really clean, modern. And the restaurant had smoothies. I had a strawberry smoothie with water and ice, just what I needed to get my energy back. Okay, now we got to go back down, and these stairs go on the other side of the funicular, so it's like one-way traffic going up and one-way traffic going down. There's the funicular again. Someone said it was working a few years ago. And then, not too far away, but straight down, is El Centro and the Malecón. So here we go. Here's a view from the El Oceana restaurant and bar near the tall CATRINA. I'm coming here tonight for salsa dancing live band at 10 p.m. It's a lovely view. It's a lovely restaurant. Very clean, very modern. Oh, an amazing ocean breeze at the second floor of the Oceano bar. And the Mexican lady I met at the public dance the other night told me about this bar. So I'm coming here at 10 p.m. There's a live band. I'm sure it's going to be loud. I'm going to bring earplugs. But look at that. The skies are clear. You can see the buildings over Nuevo Vallarta. And it's amazing. The Malecón is completely empty. I think they're getting ready for the parade tonight at 5 o'clock.